Hello viewers, get ready for a wild ride through the latest technology news stories of the week. From governments battling over encryption to the potential revolution of ATM security with blockchain technology, there's something for everyone in this tech-packed article, so buckle up and enjoy. First up, we have the UK government admitting defeat in a controversial online safety bill. The bill faced backlash over its spy clause that would have weakened encryption. However, the government realized that the technology to scan encrypted messages for illegal content without compromising privacy doesn't exist yet. Secure messaging services like WhatsApp and Signal can breathe a sigh of relief as they threaten to leave the UK if the bill passed. While privacy activists see this as a win, there are still concerns about encryption-breaking surveillance being introduced in the future. Now, let's dive into the world of ATM security. Did you know that blockchain technology could be the solution to enhance the security of ATMs? With data breaches, identity theft, and card skimming being major concerns, blockchain's decentralized and tamper-resistant features provide a promising solution. By creating a tamper-proof digital identity record and encrypting transaction data, blockchain makes it difficult for hackers to tamper with or intercept sensitive information. This technology could revolutionize the way we protect our money at ATMs, making it a win for security-conscious individuals. Next on our tech roller coaster, we turn to the U.S. military's plans to fund fleets of small, smart, cheap drones. Deputy Secretary of Defense Kathleen Hicks revealed that the Department of Defense aims to develop AI-powered systems to counter threats from countries like China. Although the specific AI technologies to be added to their drones and surveillance equipment are still unclear, this move highlights the military's focus on incorporating autonomous systems into their operations. Now let's discuss the digitalization journey of small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. Did you know that only around half of ASEAN SMBs have digitalized some functions? However, there's good news on the horizon as ASEAN SMBs plan to increase their investment in technology by nearly 70% over the next 3 years. This presents a significant opportunity for technology solution providers to assist SMBs in their digital transformation journeys. From cloud services to cybersecurity, tech providers can play a crucial role in helping SMBs navigate the digital landscape and unlock growth potential. Creativity meets technology in our next stop. AI and design are joining forces thanks to generative AI, computer vision, natural language processing, and large language models. Designers can now leverage these AI-driven technologies to enhance their capabilities and deliver better value to users. From assisting in research and brainstorming to automating tasks and synthesizing meeting notes, AI-enhanced design tools are changing the game. However, it's essential to balance AI's benefits with risk management and prioritize the human user in decision-making to ensure the best design outcomes. Shifting gears, let's celebrate Google's 25th anniversary. Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO, reflects on the significant technological advancements over the years. The stark contrast between Pichai's first email exchange with his father, taking days to receive a reply, and the immediate communication we enjoy today, showcases the rapid progress in communication technology. Pichai also expresses optimism about the future of AI at Google, citing the increasing adoption of generative AI in their products. Now let's head to Greece, where AI technology is being used to quickly detect wildfires. Greece and Israel have joined forces to implement AI and high-tech surveillance systems for wildfire prevention. This collaboration aims to leverage AI's capabilities to detect and prevent wildfires promptly. While some have questioned the necessity of AI in wildfire detection, early detection is crucial for controlling their spread and minimizing damage. It's an innovative way to tackle a pressing environmental issue. Next, we delve into the world of stocks and tech deals. Apple has recently entered into a new agreement with ARM, a major player in chip technology. This deal extends beyond 2040 and gives Apple a say in ARM's future developments. With over $62 billion in cash on hand, Apple's investment in ARM enables them to influence the direction of chip technology and avoid potential legal disputes. Brace yourselves, because we're about to explore the future of AI containment. DeepMind, a company founded with the goal of replicating human intelligence using AI systems, acknowledges that comprehensive measures are needed to contain and control the development of AI. The EU's AI Act proposes restrictions and oversight based on risk, but regulation alone is not enough. Containment requires innovation, partnerships, and a new set of incentives to keep technology in check. It's a challenging task that requires further work and implementation, but let's not forget to have some fun with AI. A recent survey by Salesforce reveals that while many users are interested in using generative AI technologies like ChatGPT for work, The most popular use is for fun or messing around. However, the potential for using AI chatbots and generative AI tools for work-related tasks is evident. From automating tasks to synthesizing meeting notes, AI can lend a helping hand in the workplace. Companies are even seeking workers with knowledge of ChatGPT and other generative AI tools, making it an exciting skill to have. As we near the end of our tech journey, let's take a peek into the future of Saudi Arabia. With their Vision 2030 plan, the country aims to reduce its reliance on oil and transform its economy. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is leading the charge, making strategic investments in sports, technology, and various other sectors. Although challenges like job creation and economic diversification remain, Saudi Arabia's economic growth and international investments are propelling them toward a post-oil world. And finally, let's talk about facial recognition at stadiums. It seems like technology is advancing at lightning speed, even at sporting events. Various stadiums across the U.S. have implemented facial recognition authentication as a means to enhance security and reduce wait times. From using biometrics for ticketing to deploying facial recognition-based surveillance systems, these stadiums are embracing technology to create a more seamless experience for fans. However, the use of facial recognition technology has not come without concerns from privacy advocates. That was quite a whirlwind tour through the latest technology news stories. From encryption battles to the possibilities of blockchain, AI, and even facial recognition, the world of technology is constantly evolving. Keep your eyes peeled for more exciting news in the tech realm. And until next time, stay curious and tech-savvy.